Alright, let's get right into it. I know what's in this box. If you read the title, you know what's in this box. So without further ado, let's get open it. This is the most satisfying feeling ever. Alright, let's see what we got here. Start with this first, just some paperwork about the master cylinder and all that. So you got a pretty cool looking sticker there. Let's see if you can see that. So don't know where I'll put that yet, but could always use more stickers. And let's get right into it. At least they're good with their packaging, that's for sure. There it is. Oh, look at that. Ooh-wee. That is beautiful. So, as you can probably tell, it's a hydraulic e-brake. Got this from ASD Motorsports. I wanted something a little bit of a good quality for the truck. Let's see here. Willwood. Master cylinder. It's a pass-through. So basically, what'll happen is that this will get hard-lined into the existing system. So every time I press on my brakes, the rear is still getting pressure, and then whenever I pull on this handle, only the rear is being activated, and not the front. Really high quality. I mean, the handle's nice. Wow, that is really smooth. Let's see, 2 mounting holes there. Kind of wish there would have been, or would be 4, but I guess 2 will do. That's not that big of a deal. We can work with 2. They on their website, you can choose to get these adapters for hardline brake fittings, and then you can also get -3N fittings as well, -3AN fittings as well. I'm just going to go with regular hardline brake line for now, just because it's cheaper. Yeah, it looks like inverted flare. I believe that's a 3/16 inch line, and I believe that's what this is as well. Yeah, so both of these should be 3/16 inch line, excuse me, 3/8 by 24 thread. I was really debating on installing this before the manual swap, but I think I'm going to go against that, just because when we do it, I'd rather not work around this that's already attached to the floorboards of the truck. So I think this will probably just kind of collect dust for a little bit until the manual swap is done, and then once the manual swap is done, then we'll get to putting this in. But other than that, that's basically it. I don't know, just a simple video. Just thought I'd show that, show what all you get. Yeah, that's basically it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.